friends, I am Callie from Callie's Redesigns. I am one of the creators on the Paint Couture creative team. Today, we are going to make over this jewelry box using Paint Couture paint and products. After removing all of the tiny hardware and giving it a little scuff sanding, I applied 1 coat of Paint Couture's Premium Plus 2-in-1 primer in the color gray. This will allow for perfect adhesion for when I'm ready to paint. Now, I'm going to add our embossing texture with this beautiful stencil. I'll be creating a raised stencil look that will add beautiful dimension and beautiful details. And now for the reveal. I completed this pattern onto the entire top and to both sides. Using a small artist brush, I painted the entire body with a beautiful soft blue called Sophia. It is a paint in our mineral paint line. This color is now my new favorite. It is so beautiful. My accent color is called Pale Sprout. This was applied to the drawer sides just for an added pop of color, and I just love the way that this turned out. Next, let's add some metallic shimmer to all of the delicate details. I am using Paint Couture's heavy metal metallic called Stardust. With a smaller accent brush, I just applied it to the edges, little dry brushing here and there, and to all of the trim work. Taking my brush and going in one direction, I only required 1 coat of this beautiful paint. I think it was the perfect accent for all of the details. Next, let's add a transfer from Redesign with Prima. This is called Blossomed Beauties, and I love applying transfers over the glass. It kind of leaves for a really cool accent, a little unexpected detail to your jewelry box. The colors, I think, were the perfect choice to go with this Sophia blue. My next step is to accent the embossing medium, the texture that we created on both the top and the sides. So taking my stencil and stippling the Stardust metallic paint right over the raised stenciling. Wait till you see the effect. It turned out really, really pretty. And here's the final result. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you found this tutorial helpful and inspiring. I hope to see you next time. Thanks again for watching Paint Couture tutorial.